Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. Okay, after a long time, one more video we are going to put, but this is a snacks. Okay, I'll show you what exactly this one. See here, focus here. See, this one is Siomai. Siomai, it is pork, beef.
The flavor.
Okay. See the flames. The smoke. See now only just cook, right? But this is ready to cook. We buy in shop. How much exactly?
120.
120. Okay.
You cut and then
So fast. Let me try one. Okay. See guys, because this one first time I'm trying this one. See here. This one, the beef, they just grind it like minced one, like they grind it, and after that they have stuffed with this one. This is a flour. I'm not sure what exactly. Okay, so let me try. Very hot. This one usually they will eat with some soy and some chili. They mix together and then they will dip with that one and they will eat. But this one is my favorite. The taste is good compared to the other one. You buy chicken one, right?
pork.
Pork. But this one is it's nice. The taste is similar but not that much like the one pork. This one also very nice, tasty, very soft. You like? She don't like beef. They are waiting.
Baka data.
They are
So
waiting.
na kaya na.
Show me. They are waiting.
They're waiting. Anna is waiting. Brownie is
Brownie
waiting.
is also waiting. Let me give.
Give. Half.
Half each.
One for brownie, one for...
One for banana. So this one hot.
Ampay.
Very hot. I don't know. They will eat
Give
that.
it. Give. It's okay. For Anaya, you call.
Anaya. Tu.
Call.
Anaya. Tu. She will
You
bite
blow.
me. But you give.
No, not that much. Anaya. Ito yan. How about the two sibling?
Will you? I should
Just
use my hand.
just give to Rambo. They are
She will eat very nice.
his gently one. For Roxy, Stone, you eat. Kadamon. Aguray nay.
Okay. Okay. See here. I'm eating one more. Okay.
This is Chinese food.
This one Chinese, The bisogo soup, something like that.
Huh?
Bisogo soup. What is that? They will mix with that one, the right?
Miso.
Dumpling, miso soup. Very tasty. See here. Okay, guys. Yeah, I hope everyone liked this video and thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Twohungry Travelers and follow Indian and Filming page, Facebook page, and also Twohungry Travelers Facebook page and the profile Rosie Napalo. Thank you guys. God bless everyone. Bye.
None I can.